Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occurring in Cardano in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button now and complete my 2k subscriber. I need your support. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel, so please click the subscribe button and complete my 2k subscriber. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction, live changes occur in the Cardano in the last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, as you can see, first of all we see the chart of analysis of the Cardano in the last 1 hour. So it is clear at the last 1 hour the Cardano crypto jumps upward, as you can see here. But now currently, unfortunately, there is a fall time of Cardano, as you can see here. That is the live price prediction of Cardano. Currently they are falling down, as you can see here. Now the changes of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour is positive 0.17% changes occur in the Cardano positive. So and the high price of Cardano in the last 1 hour is $1.21. Absolutely good price of Cardano in the last 1 hour. It's a big opportunity to buy Cardano cryptocurrencies in a market and make a good amount of money, because at this time they are jumping upward. As you can see here, the price of Cardano rise up, as you can see here. That is the live price prediction, live changes occur in the last 1 hour in the cryptocurrencies market of Cardano. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.